Hey guys, it's Perry Details Retail. Today we're going to be working on the old Dirty Max. Okay, we got some problems here with my running lights. One of these guys is burnt out. I don't remember if it's this side or it's the driver's side, but we got some aux beam LED. It is the CJ 317 or 57 right there, guys. That's the part number. I think that's what it is. And then I got some aux beam lights, LED lights that go in my fog lights on my LT here. So without further ado, first thing we gotta do is open up the hood. No problem. Okay. Yeah, the Dirty Max, because it is dirty, let me tell you. Dirty, 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 guys. Alright, so first things first, let's start out this side. All you have to do, pull this pin. We'll bring you in, guys. Here we go. It's a little windy today. I'm not sure if we're going to pick that up on the camera. Pull the pin, slide it over. Don't lose the pin. That's important. Let me check this out while I'm here. Get back to what we were here for. So I paused. Okay, pull it out of there. Just kind of move it. Now I have LED lights for my main driving lights, so I got to twist those off. They got big fans on them, and they're aux beam too. They're aux beam. I think they're F16s. And this one, we're gonna just pull it out. We'll just unplug it. That'd probably be the easiest, so I can get rid of the whole housing. Alright, gently put those on the ground. Okay, so now, guys, I'm not gonna pull this whole thing out. What you do, there's a little clip back here, you'd push it in, and it's kind of tight, so push it in real hard, and you pull the side out, and you pull it out like this. Not a problem, though. We can get to our light bulb from here. We just gotta turn it, bring the bulb out. You know, you don't have a whole bunch of access, but okay. So, ooh, this thing must have got hot. Looks like she's melted a little bit. Yeah, I'm pulling the bulb apart. I'm gonna have to get a tool to try to. So I just got a trusty old pliers. See if I can grab on with my pliers. And nope, too wide. See, as you can see, my videos aren't pre-planned, so we go and get things that we need. Oh yeah, this thing's, she got a little toasty in here. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. And I just busted the housing. Oh yeah, guys, just look at it. You see that, guys? That is all hot. And the socket shows as a socket. Let me bring in on that. Socket itself is really warm. Had been warm, melted. That is not good. So yeah, that's probably the reason why it wasn't working. So I'm gonna let me grab my LEDs here. Now LEDs are you know, you can only put them in one way. If they don't work, it means you gotta rotate the polarity of the bulb. So you stick them in right away and they don't work right away, probably get it in backwards. I don't think on the bulb tells you a plus or minus on them either. Let me take a look. And no, there's no plus or minus on it. So we'll have to do trial and error. As soon as I can get the zippy lock open. right, so all right, let's make sure these fit, look similar. Let's see, yep. So let's stick it in here in the socket. Hopefully get it right the first time. All right, we're back and got the keys. We're gonna go start up the Dirty Max. Make sure everything's clear. Right, don't want it falling into the engine bay. So let's do that. Make sure everything's gonna be okay. So now I think I probably put it on. Either side's working. So that one's not working. Hopefully just we just got kind of troubleshoot it. I might have to that. I chalked the wheels, put it in drive, and I got my one LED light on. All right, so it's working. So we gotta put that back together. In a second we'll do that for you, and I'll show you what that's like. All right guys, there's my new LED running lights for the Duramax. All right, hopefully people will be able to see me now. Alright guys, got everything all put back together. You just reverse the process, you know, put that in, slip those in, put the pin back in. Now, okay, I don't know if you guys could see this on the camera. This one was definitely burnt out. This one was on its way. It was melting. So I don't know if that was from the heat from the bulb. But we got the new LEDs installed, and for the finale, guys, what I'd highly recommend is have microfiber rag, and for your headlights, little Honda Pro Cleaner. It's always the best. So you just take a little spray, spray them up. And you take your rag and just wipe them down, man. That's how I keep mine nice and clear. If you get it on the paint's not a big deal. You get it on the plastic's not a big deal. Basically it's wax. So okay, now see how nice those look? I mean, those things look beautiful, right? Get yourself a little Honda Pro Cleaner, you can keep your lights looking nice. All right, we'll do the other one. That works for just about everything. That I love that stuff. It's just great on your motorcycle. It's great on this. I do have a little bit of a haze coming in this corner. I believe that is from the Rhine that they put on the roads. Might be able to get it off with the Honda Pro Cleaner. We'll see. Otherwise I might have to take and go after a little buffing compound. It's another way to get them from defogging. It's a little buffing compound and a buffer. And give them a little buff job, guys. That stuff that they give you for rejuvenate them, I haven't found any that really works good. I just quit trying to do it the old-fashioned way. Buff the plastic. So I'm going to come back on here one more time, where that bad part is. See if I can get it a little better yet. Looks like it ate into the clear coat on top of the lens. That's what it looks like. So it looks like I'll probably end up having to buff it to get it to be okay. Well, it'll be okay even buffing it because it ain't too bad yet. I'm sure if I just keep my Honda Pro Cleaner on it, it'll be alright. But you can hardly see it now. And it's still, I can make it out, but it's not as cloudy as it used to be. Like I said, this stuff's the bomb. You can use it on anything like this. Just spray it on there. Yes. Wiper clean. On your chrome. I mean, takes the dirt off. Basically, it's just wax in a can. Really nice, guys. So that's the tip of the day. Alright, guys. Perry Details Retail. I was working on my Duramax again. My fog lamp won't work on this side of the truck, and it's a wiring issue. This connector for some reason is not giving me the power I need. So now I gotta see which one of my, I got one of these fancy dancy pin things will push this thing out. There's like 60 zillion of them in this little container. I'm not sure which one I need. So there's all types of them, and it's not round. I don't know here, guys. I don't think there's a video on this. I mean, there's all kinds of them. All kinds. They come in a little pouch. So we gotta try to figure out which one it is and which one will do it. I'm not sure exactly. Looks like this is I know I can get a new one of these, I think, at the parts store. I don't think that'll be an issue. I was hoping I could just push it out and grab it. So let's see. I don't know which one to do here. I mean, look at all the different ones I got. That's the problem. They don't give you a list of what it is and what they're for. So you can see here, I found the problem right here. If you look, that wire just came right on out. So that's my culprit. I'm trying to get the rubber seal out of there. Boy, that baby, she don't want to come out either. And it should just pop out of there. Shouldn't be anything that difficult. And she don't want to come out. Not at all. Should just pop out of there. Might end up going and getting a new one. I had to do a new connector on that one and got them both working. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comments, questions, put it in the comment box. Subscribe, guys. We need more subscribes. So I'll see you in the next one.